As Valentine's Day approaches, we yearn for smiles that light up the room, but for many of us, dental challenges cast a shadow on that desire sometimes. Today, we'll explore how many dental implants can restore not only teeth, but also the confidence to smile again. Joining us on a compassionate journey toward a brighter, more radiant smile is Dr. Andrea Joy Smith. Hello, Dr. Smith.
Good morning, Desiree. How are you today?
I'm doing good. You're joining us live today. We always appreciate having you on. So, Dr. Smith, I wanted to ask you, what hinders people from fixing their teeth?
Thank you for having me, Desiree. That is a great question, and I'm always happy to be here. A lot of things that hinder patients are the fear of being seen by the dentist, especially if they haven't been to the dentist for a long time. And if they haven't had any pain, a lot of times they don't really think there's a reason to go. But as I've stated a few times before on this program, a lot of dental problems are asymptomatic. No one knows that they're going on, like periodontal disease, sometimes a small cavity. We can catch it before it turns into something more serious. And so that fear is a very hard thing for patients to get rid of. And of course, with the expense of everything else going up in the world today, sometimes it's the expected expense, but they'll be really pleasantly surprised that they can actually receive implants for a cost that is less than that of conventional implantology.
So, talk to us about that. You have a dental option out there that addresses these concerns. Tell us more about mini dental implants.
Well, mini dental implants, or small diameter one-piece implants, as I like to call them, they are really the answer to the dreams of patients who've been wearing dentures for a long time, and they've been told that they can no longer that they are no longer candidates for implant dentistry because the bone is no longer there. When they had their teeth, there was plenty of bone, but when you lose the teeth, the bone goes along with it. So mini dental implants can solve the problem of loose dentures, and for patients who no longer want to wear dentures, it can also take them from a removable denture appliance to a fixed appliance that does not come in and out.
Can you
So
tell us
it's a
how
great
they're,
option.
yeah, can you tell us, Dr. Smith, how many dental implants are installed?
They are installed really, and we call it a microsurgery because normally we do not open up the gums, or as we call it, lay a flap. We perform the procedure after getting them numb right through the gum tissue. And that might sound a little bit painful, but it really isn't once you're numb. And the healing process, because we haven't opened up the tissue, we haven't cut a flap, the healing process is a lot less. And also the post-operative pain, because a lot of times when we open that flap or we open that tissue, the patient has to heal from that wound, and then also the pressure that the implant might be putting on the bone for just that 24 hours. But if we don't have to open the tissue, we don't disrupt the blood supply, and they can heal a lot faster and have a lot less pain after the treatment.
All right, now our viewers, they know about mini dental implants and how to be able to smile again. Now, Dr. Andrea Joy Smith, thank you so much. And to our viewers, you can find out more by going to smileagainnow.com.